This delicious chicken pasta recipe will satisfy your creamy pasta craving while keeping on track with your keto diet. So let's get cooking. Let's begin by cutting chicken breasts into strips. We season with salt and black pepper. Mix well to make sure that the seasoning is fully incorporated with the chicken strips. Then to a preheated pan, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Put in the chicken strips and fry them till they turn light brown on each side. Set it aside and let's prepare the noodles. Here I'm using konjac noodles, but you can also use any keto pasta alternative of your choice. Rinse the noodles really well. I use hot water for rinsing. Now we're ready to put all the ingredients together. Into the same pan that we use for frying chicken, add in butter. When it's fully melted, add in chopped garlic, followed by sliced onions. Cook till the onions become transparent and the garlic becomes fragrant. Then add in the sliced mushrooms. Sauté for about 5 to 7 minutes. Then add double cream. Season with salt and black pepper. Simmer over medium heat for about 8 to 10 minutes. Put the chicken strips back and give it a good mix so that it gets fully incorporated with the sauce. Then add chopped parsley. Now, put in the noodles. Mix well till all the ingredients are well combined. Add more parsley and mix. Then sprinkle with spicy Italian seasoning. Mix and let it simmer for a few more seconds. And then you're ready to serve. Try this recipe and I hope you'll enjoy it. Thanks for watching.